Hi, my name is Aisha and today I'll be guiding you through the basics of using Excel, which is the average and rank formula. Learning outcome for today is to gain a clear understanding of what the average formula does in Excel. Second, learn how to correctly select data for the formulas. Third, understand how to apply the average and rank formula to different sets of data. And lastly, learn about formatting options to display the calculated average and rank in a way that suits your needs. The scenario today is Encik Wijlan needs to generate a column chart about the results of long jump sport that he received from the recent track and field competition in SMK Shah Alam. He needs to present the data to determine the winner of the competition, and I'll be demonstrating you step-by-step process of this. First thing first, you can open Microsoft Excel and you can click on any cell. But what I'm doing here is I click on A1 cell and adjust the size. And then I type number. And then I click on B1 to adjust the size. And I type name. And here, if you want to make the name center, you can click on home and click on the center alignment. Here I just type in what's in the data that Encik Wijlan received. As you can see, I type sports house and then I adjust the size for column D1. Then I continue to type the data. Here you can just type 1 until A8, but what I'm going to do here is I type 2 and then I select from the 1 to 2 and I drag down until A8 to make a sequence. And again, I adjust the alignment and just click on the center. Let's say if you want to calculate the average for Ali, which is the first contestant, we're gonna type equal average and then type parentheses Next, you're gonna select the cell that you want to calculate the average for. And what I'm doing here is I drag from G2 to G7 to make a sequence. For the rank formula, I'm gonna add equal and then type rank, parentheses, and then add average for G2, and then comma, and then click on G2 again and drag from G2 to G7. So here we cannot forget about locking the reference of this data, so we can press F4 key and function key. Now I just drag the box and to make a sequence. Next, I select all the boxes to make the alignment same, which is center. And I select all of the cells and data to make the border to make it look nicer. And once again, we can select all the data and cell and finally make a column chart. Then I click on recommended charts and choose column. And then we can edit our chart however we want, and I click on insert to make my chart 3D. And we can still change the chart style. I choose the one that we can actually see the data